I might have an essential problem. Yep. More essentials. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I know it's been about a week since I uploaded. I took a trip to Orlando, took my son to Disney, put a lot of fire outfits out, man. There's some new hottest styles coming. I did a thing there. But anyway, Fair Guard Essentials dropped again. And this one, I'm a little bit more happy about than the last couple we got. You know it's spring, so all the designers are doing a spring 2023 joints. Fair Guard Essentials, I love what they did. They did come up with another wheat colorway that is like, I'm tired of seeing the sand wheat situation. They also came out with Seal that kind of resembles the Seafoam colorway. So I didn't even bother with the Seal because it looks just like the Seafoam colorway. The burgundy caught my eye, but I rarely wear burgundy. But Jordan has been dropping. The Carmines came back, and he's been putting burgundy in a lot of stuff. Armor, yeah, 12s. That's a perfect match for that. So, but I didn't go there. But the Sycamore and the light Tuska or Tuska, the yellow, really caught my eye. And this is what we're going to review and give you a size and guide on today. The Sycamore more likely caught my eye because I never seen any type of blue in the Fair Guard Essential look, so I had to go here. We've seen yellow before years ago, but this yellow looked a little better to me. I've been rocking Fair Guard for a long time. I should have the yellow, but the blue is a newie. We got to get to this review. As you can see here, I've been rocking Essentials for a long time, man. They don't even make it like this anymore. It's a whole portrait on the back. I think this was the California exclusive. I can't remember. But let's get into the Sycamore first. Yes, sir. So you get your same black tinted bag. I hope they fixed the zippers. These zippers was flimsy. But you get the same tinted black bag that you get on all men joints. The kids and I think the women's is that sandy brown, little more see-through look. The men get the tinted look. Yeah, it's not flimsy no more, guys. That was smooth. So this right here is the Sycamore hoodie. And it's priced at, we got to look at the price, $100. Now, I go a medium. I always go medium with Essential, but it does fit me big. As you see this, I think this is about 2 seasons ago. This is a medium, guys, and look how it fits. It fits big. I really don't like the big look, but with this current colorway here, it was selling out quick, and I had to just click, and I just went true to size, but I should have went small here. I'm 5'7", 180 pounds. This medium here looks more true to size, just like the coral colorway here. See more fitted in that medium true to size to me. So yeah, this right here is the Sycamore colorway Fair Guard Essentials medium hoodie. And to me, it looks like if you mix the new Seal colorway with the Seafoam colorway, you end up somewhere right here. I think like mineral blue. I think Jordan had a colorway called mineral blue. This gives me those vibes. Let's get up and close and personal with it. Boom. You got Essentials Fair Guard, huge on the chest area, and it does reflect, guys. If it don't reflect, it's definitely popping off the hoodie to me. You can see the abrased look. It does have the classic, I don't even know what you call this material, but softer touch essential fit guard word in there, and it's big, guys. Unlike the coral colorway I just showed you guys, you couldn't really see the essential colorway in it. This definitely looks like it is true to size as far as the medium. I know it won't fit me big here. I know y'all can't see my bottoms, but I'm rocking the canary yellow joints. Matter of fact, I'll put it right there, little screen. And if you look at those, the essential logo you can hardly see because it's the same color. Same thing here, but these look to pop out more than the canary yellow or the coral look. That had the same material as the hoodie or sweats in it, so you couldn't really see the words. This one here, they used a different texture on the words, so this makes it pop. I got this from PacSun. They still have some, depending on sizes. $100. Essentials Men. Next up here is the light Tuska. And luckily these didn't sell out fast because it's two versions to this hoodie. And I debated for about 5 minutes which one to get. I didn't really see a difference in them, so I just went light. Because when you think of yellow, you always think of light. So here we go here. The light Tuska joint here. Let's get up close and personal with this. Same as the Sycamore joint, but it pops. In this one, you can actually look at more of a reflection here. This looks like it reflects more. Maybe because it's a light colorway, but definitely feels like true to size. Also, black essential logo on the hoodie. So does the Sycamore joint. Forgot to show y'all. Any branding on the sleeves? No branding on the sleeves. But that's what I like about the season 2 years ago, as the branding on the sleeve was also dope, along with the branding on the chest. Here we just get branding on the chest, but it's huge, guys. The tag, the essential tag is in that platinum silver look. But yeah, no other branding on the hoodie whatsoever. Okay, guys, so in my right hand here is the old, well, let's not say old, right? This is the canary yellow. In my left, this is the new light Tuscan. So let's get close. As you can see, the light Tuscan is a lot more yellow than the canary yellow. Yes, sir. So that's just a quick review on the new Fed Guard Spring 23. Like I told you, corduroy burgundy, that's new. That's way new. Sycamore, way new. The Tuscan, we seen that colorway a couple of times, but that's new. But the sand, we seen too much, and the seal, we seen too much. I got heather oatmeal gray light, heather oatmeal gray dark. The gray is overdoing it. But I'm happy that they added new colorways. That's number one. And the sizing definitely changed. Again, I'm 180 pounds, 5'7". I go with a medium, but sometimes I could go small. Y'all know I usually give y'all the full outfits, but the problem with the new Spring 23 releases is that most of the pants weren't jogger. The track pants, they track, but I don't really like the track. I like the regular sweats jogger. They had the wide leg joints, and I can't really do a wide leg sweatpants, guys. I mean, let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about the new Spring 23 joint. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.